Sorry. Hey guys, it's Alexis. It's been a while. I hope you guys are doing well. I've been really busy, but anyway, this video I want to go over this bag I made probably 6 months ago to a year and what I plan on doing next. But let me tell you some of the issues I had with this specific build. If you guys want to know how to build this, I have links in the description for templates. I also have a build along video. You can look down in there in the build along video on how to make something like this. But I'm gonna go over some terrible things about my build here and how you can kind of fix it if you decide to build this. And yeah, so let's go over that right now. This is the problem I'm having. Watch this. You set it down and it falls. The reason why is because right here, the leather got really supple and it's kind of folding on itself. So if you guys watched the very first build that I made, I put this Bontex liner. This is a Bontex liner that I put in my first one, the dark brown Havana. This one I decided not to use that. And I think I messed up because when I first made this, I stuffed this really hard and I kind of wet molded it. And it's really didn't take shape the right way and it falls, and that's really pissing me off. So if you guys are gonna build this, make sure you put the Bontex in there in between the two layers. If not, then forego the big pocket that you have inside. And this is a problem that's causing everything. This big zipper pocket in here, I have a big folding zipper pocket and it's massive and I stuffed a whole bunch of stuff in there. It's this zipper pocket right here. This zipper pocket. See this? This is separate and it hangs, it's stitched on top and it's a separate piece and it's hanging in there. And if you notice, this is only 2 layers of 5 ounce, so 10 ounce total. This back here is 3 layers, so it's 15 ounces. So I'm sure that if you were to use 3 layers here, in other words, bring this zipper all the way out to the gusset, you wouldn't have that problem. You see how it's not all the way out? So it's just causing a lot of strain there, and there's not enough leather to support it, and it's really, really supple leather, so it's doing that. So what I'm gonna do for my next build is build it the same way. A couple things I'll do different is I'll put that Bondex material in between the leather, the front and the back, and I'm going to forego the zipper pocket. I'm just gonna put a regular laptop sleeve, very similar to what I have back here. It goes all the way out to the edge, which will give it that 3rd layer of 5 ounce, rendering it a little bit stronger, including the Bontex. So I'm gonna do that inside, in the front, as well as in the back where the laptop is. So the back laptop, I have that already set up, okay? It's back there, see that laptop sleeve? Can you see it? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do on the back and on the front on the inside. This zipper pocket is amazing. This is a new way that I created like a dimensional pocket, so it's not just flat. It has like a little gusset, and I love this pouch. Although what I'm gonna do moving forward is, instead of having a pouch right in the front, I'm gonna do the 2 laptop sleeves inside with a big opening in the middle, and I'm gonna add that big pouch back here. I really don't use this newspaper pocket. I would much rather have a big zipper like that, like I have on the inside, but put it on the back so I have a big pocket here for all of my stuff. Let me show you what I have in here. I have a big old checkbook. I have computer cables. I have a mouse. I have some other computer hardware. I have some monies. Just a whole bunch of stuff in here. What else? And I think just putting too much of that in there is really putting too much strain on the front body. So all this could actually go in the back zipper pocket back here, kind of balancing out the briefcase a little bit. So I would put that big zipper pocket, I'm repeating myself, back here. The other thing I would do different is instead of a 4-inch gusset, I think I want a 5-inch gusset. This is just a little bit too narrow, so when I come in here, you know, I want to be able to stuff 2 textbooks back to back, not just one. Right now I'm only able to put 1 book in there, but I want to be able to do 2 books, and this way I can put 4 books in there. So I'm going to bump this up to 5 inches wide versus 4 inches wide. And the front I'm going to leave open. I'm not going to put this zipper pocket. I'm going to put 2 laptop sleeves in the inside and put that big zipper pocket back here. And on the front body and the back body, I'm going to include this Bontex. Let me put this down. That's really annoying. I think Springfield Leather sells these sheets. It's a Bontex. It's a bag stiffener. And I'm just going to cut this out. You'll see that in my first build video that I actually offered this, that I put this in. Sorry. That I put this in my very first briefcase I built, that brown one. I think it's like 3-year-old video. But I put this material in there. In fact, you can see where I cut it out a little bit. I haven't used it since, really, to be honest with you. I've made other bags without an issue, but this one is pretty stout, and I want to prevent that. I think moving forward, I'm going to always add this material in between the leather. Just for safety and give it some strength. I've seen guys use cardboard instead of that Bontex. But yeah, the next thing I want to ask you guys is the color choice. So you'll see the different color options. I'm leaning towards this color here, the chestnut, in and outside. So it's going to be 100% pure chestnut. And the color stitching I need your help on. I'm thinking Havana cigar, maybe, or like a medium brown. Or maybe like a beige or a lighter color for some contrast. I need your help. I really want the chestnut color leather, but I need your help on the stitch color. And I'm leaning towards like a beige perhaps, or like a Havana cigar. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. What would you like to see as far as the stitch color? Anyways, that's all I got for you guys. God bless you. Sorry I haven't been putting too much videos up. I've been somewhat busy. But other than that, you guys have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye.